Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the issue if your Blink Outdoor 4 is not working and you want to fix it. So the first thing that you can try to do, you want to just like reset it. To reset it, it's super simple. All you have to do is to take back the back cover, and then you just want to press and hold when it's going to be turned on for like 30 to 40 seconds, the reset button. When it's going to be turned on, then you're going to release it. The second thing to try is to take out the batteries for like 2 minutes and put them back in. And another thing that you can try to do, if this is not going to work out, you can just like reset the sync module, and you're gonna have like reset button right here, and I don't know which one you have, or reset button on the top here. And again, both you want to press when it's going to be turned on. Or another thing that you can try to do is you're gonna take the cable out, and then you want to press and hold the reset button, or with the pin you just want to press and hold it, and then you want to plug it back in. So this is something that you want to do, and possibly it's going to fix the issue for you. So I hope it does. Thank you very much for watching, and hope you can have a great day, and goodbye.